Hi guys, what's up? Of course you've read, so you know that we're making Bulla today. So I'm gonna walk you through this. Grab your milk, grab your juice or some cheese, and let's go. Now, of course, we're using flour to make our Bulla. So this is the main ingredient, right? And this is my all-purpose flour. It's about 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I will be adding the rest of my dry ingredients to this, and this is mixed spice, nutmeg, and cinnamon powder. I'll sift this and then I mix all my dry ingredients together. Baking powder, baking soda, and salt is also a part of the dry ingredient that's used in this. I like to add ginger to my Bulla, so I will be also using that in this. Mix my dry ingredients together, then I'll go to preparing the wet ingredients. Now, my wet ingredients, I have added a little twist to it. First off, I'll add my sugar to my bowl. Then I will add my butter, and this butter is melted butter that you use. Next, some pineapple juice and also some orange juice. So that's my twist. You can use water in this if you choose to, but I use the flavors just to give a little difference to it. My vanilla was also added, so you want to make sure that you stir your wet ingredients properly. Add your ginger. You want to make sure that your sugar is dissolved, or at least most of it is dissolved. This requires some molasses, and that's also added. Molasses tend to be like a slow ingredient to work with, and it's kind of hard to work with, but anyway, I made sure I got that out of my measuring spoons there, and then I added that to my dry ingredients. Sugar wasn't totally dissolved, but it was sufficient for me. I combine all this together. It's best if you use your hands to make this, but I started off with my spoon at first. Guys, thank you so much for joining me again, and if it's your first time, thank you for being here. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so whenever I upload you will be notified. Also, you can use up the comment section. Yep. Now I'm finished, and what I did was to leave this for at least half an hour, cover with saran wrap, and leave this for about half an hour. When that's done, I flour my surface, add my dough to the surface, and then roll. Improvise with my cutting utensil, which was a bowl, and after that I add this to my baking tray that was lined with grease paper. This is supposed to be baked for 15 to 25 minutes. No, sorry, 15 to 20 minutes. I think I went a little too long with mine, but they were okay for me. I made use of them. Now, after they're finished baking, you want to add this to your cooling rack, allow it to cool, and then you also brush this with some melted butter. After this, you enjoy it with whatever you choose to. My idea was the cheese. Thank you for watching and enjoy.